You too, what's good? It's your boy Retro back at it again with another video. Now, today's video gonna be a little bit different. This is gonna be a motivational type video. So if you need some motivation, you need some positive vibes, you came to the right video. As you can tell by the title, we are gonna be talking about a vision board. Now, this is my first year making a vision board, but I pretty much got the gist of it. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go over where I got the board from, my goals, and just pretty much just go further in depth with how I set mine up. So you can probably take some ideas to, create your own, or, just base yours off mine if you're into this type of thing. So let's get straight to it. Boom. All right, so let's get to it. This is a secret, that's just goes for the car. Once I knock them out, then, I will make videos for those, for those mods. But, all right. So I got this whole little dry erase board from Target. This was on sale for about 13 bucks. Let's try to blur that out. That's pretty much how big it is. As you can see, it's a pretty large size. Not bad. It is held on by like 2 hinges in the back. As you can see, it can move. So, but just something simple. Just write down goes to 2021, what I want to accomplish 2021, things of that nature. And I have this quote right here. I forgot who said it. So, if the plan doesn't work, change the plan, but never change the goal. So you can change how you are going to get to that goal, but never change the end goal, because that will just push it off, and you'll procrastinate and prolong the process. Just trust yourself, and if the plan isn't working out in your favor, switch it up. You know what I'm saying? So let's get straight to it. Now, first one, this is in no particular order whatsoever. Pay off the Accord. Now, I have about 4,900 left on the Accord. I'm not set to pay it off until next year, but I want to pay it off this year. You know what I'm saying? Just see if I can get some of that money back. It looks good on your credit. Personal goal. Get credit scored at 700 plus. Not gonna lie, we all make mistakes. When I was younger, made some dumb mistakes, messed up my credit, didn't realize how much of a credit score means. Now I know. So let's try to get that back up to 700 plus. Finish the Accord. Not really finish it as in a sense of, finishing the look and all that. It's just finishing the mods that I want to do to the Accord this year, so to speak. So that's that. Get promoted to A1C. I'm set to get promoted in May. So let's just hope that continues to be set in stone. I don't want to do anything or have anything happen to, push that further out. Finish training, pretty much. I think I have until June or July to finish it, but I want to finish it by April, just so I can be done with it. Invest $1,000 into Robinhood. I'm not late to the whole stock game. I'm the type of guy, I was a day trader. I would hold for short term, turn around and sell, whatever. But this year I really want to keep at least $1,000 invested into Robinhood, not really like profit wise, but just $1,000 of my own money, and then watch it grow from there, and then over time put more and more into it. But I want to have at least $1,000 invested into it this year. I can make a whole separate video about stocks and all that, but yep, travel the world. I want to travel big this year. I want to see where the military can take me. I want to take vacation to some of these places that I've always wanted to go, but just never really had the opportunity to. So I want to visit other countries, other states, the whole 9 yards. Network at meets and events, car meets, car shows, just get my name out there. You know what I'm saying? Build those bonds, build those friend groups, build those, network connections. You never know who you can meet. what doors can open if you just talk to people, be nice, be yourself, talk, not just be at a show by yourself, wandering or like along and then just get in your car and leave. That's no fun. Get this channel to 10,000 subs. I know that's a long shot, but we have a year to do it. I think if I stay consistent, keep it interesting, diversify the content, what I'm saying? Just be different, be consistent, just have fun with it at the end of the day. Start a second channel / podcast. I am starting a podcast. I don't know if I already mentioned that on prior videos, but I am starting a podcast next month. I'll talk more about that when I actually get the ball rolling, but that's another thing I want to do is start a podcast because I love to talk, as you can see. So pay off all debt. Oh, that's a big one. I'm sure that's a lot of people's goals. Pay off all debt. Debt to me is not really like car payments, insurance, phone bill, none of that. Debt to me is like student loans, credit card bills, whatever you're paying off at like a furniture store or whatever, like stuff like that. So I want to get all that squared away. I want to grind. I want to hustle. I always have to have multiple streams of income. Remember that for 2021, which falls into the next line, make smart financial choices. I love shoes. I love car parts. I love fashion. I love fast food restaurants, all that good stuff. I got to stop all that this year. I got to make smarter financial choices. Don't put yourself in a hole. Never do that, guys. It's not worth it. Trust me. Never go below $2,000 in your savings accounts. Your emergency fund that can build, depending on your bank, that can build insurance, they can match it. It'll grow for you. In the case of emergency, 9 times out of 10, it's always more than $1,000, whatever emergency, whether it's the car, health, whatever. Just try to keep at least $2,000 in your savings account. Create a fitness routine. Just because you're in the military doesn't mean everyone stays fit. We get lazy. Due to Corona, stuff's been pushed back. Gyms have been closed down. Home workouts don't hit the same, So just get into that rhythm of staying active, staying in shape. This is the big one. Focus on yourself and self-care. There's nothing wrong with looking out for people, being there for people, but at the end of the day, no one has got you like you. Never get yourself depressed. Never be afraid to talk to somebody and reach out. Make sure you're taken care of before you start taking care of other people. And the last one is be out of the dorm every week. That's with anything, going out with friends, car meets, car shows, whatever the case may be. Be out, because these 4 walls, I call it the 4 walls syndrome. Seeing this every single day and not doing anything about it will just drive you crazy. You need to get out. Get out of the house, get out of the apartment, whatever you're at, get out, enjoy some fresh air. And, just enjoy life. Life is, as you can see, life is too short. We lose people all the time, every day. So make sure that you live your life like it's your last. So I hope y'all took something from my vision board. Hopefully y'all have some ideas. Y'all can relate, whatever the case may be. Just make sure that you put it somewhere you see every day so it never loses your head. Like, it never gets out of your mind. Like, okay, I need to do this year. I need to tackle one thing at a time, multiple things at a time. Do it at your own pace, but never change the goal. Like I said, you can change how to get there, but never change it. So besides that, it's your boy Q. Another video. If y'all feeling this type of content, like, comment, subscribe. We're gonna just pumping out more content this year. Try to stay consistent and hopefully entertaining. Hopefully you like my personality. You never know what the year might hold. So until next time.